What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In this video we're drawing a banana crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started on the top right side of our page with the top edge of the visor. So we start in the center of our page, we draw a curve that goes up the middle. I'm just going to bend that back down on the right side. Let's round out the side of the visor. Starting back on the left, bend this out and then in, and go in the opposite direction on the right side. And we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then back up. Let's move up and draw the banana on top of the head. We start by lining up with the left side of the visor, go up to the top, start with a point. Now from here I'm just going to curve this down and then out towards the right. Let's go back over towards the left, come down and then out towards the left. And then on the top right side of the visor we're going to tuck the head in underneath the banana. We're going to go up and then in. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. We're going to curve the banana, coming up and in, and then bend that back out towards the left. And I connect the top and this point with a curve, going in and then down. Let's flatten off the top with a short angled line. And from here, it's going to go out towards the right, bend that down. I'm just going to curl this back out towards that outside point. Let's add two peels on either side. Starting on the right, curve down, and then bend that up. Taper that back in towards the side. Let's line this up on the left side, curve down, then up. And then again, tapering that back in towards the side. Let's go up to the top, draw a straight line going across the bottom. And from the top point, we're just going to angle this up, close off the end with a straight line. I'm going to add some spots across the bottom of the banana. We're going to start on the top left, curve in and out, and do that again. Then from the bottom, curve up and then down, and do that again. Let's go over towards the right, go up and out, do that once more. And then from the top right, curve in and out, and do that again. And I'll add some random size spots on the inside. Starting on the bottom left, let's draw a small circle, step up, draw a slightly larger circle, add some along the right side. So a couple small ones along the top, a little bit bigger, and add one more on the right. Now we want this banana peel to overlap the body. So from the tip, we're going to step in, curve the body, going out, down, and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side. Start by coming straight down, and then bending that in towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve down, and up, go to the right side, and leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body. And from here it's going to curve out, then up. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add the backpack on the left side. We start at the very top, curve out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up, and then we'll connect the ends with that same curve we have for the body, going out and then in. Let's add a shadow across the backpack and the body. Starting from the top left, come down and then in, step up, curve down, across the body, and then bend that up on the right. Let's add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting from the top left, curve down, across, and then up. And that's pretty much it. There's our banana crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.